Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on completing a table worksheets. So this video has a few worksheets where we will have some practice in completing a table when we are given a particular equation and there are two variables involved. Now normally we are given some different values for one of the variables and we have to find the different values for the other variable. Now the important thing to know here is that we've had a lesson on this topic, so if you're not sure what to do, when you get to the last slide of this video, there is a link. If you click on that link, it will take you to the lesson and it will explain how to do all of these examples. So let's start off. Complete the table of values for each of the following using the given equation. So for the first example, the equation is m equals k plus 6. We have all these different values of k here, and for each value of k, we have to find a value of m. And the way we do that, we substitute the value of k into the equation. That will give us that value of m. For the next example, we substitute that value of k, and that will give us that value of m. So we do that for all of the examples. Remember for number 2 here, that's multiplication. Very important to remember that. You don't have to show the multiplication sign. Here that's t squared, or t by t. 3t means 3 times t. Again, you don't have to show the multiplication. There's s squared here, s times s, and that's 4 times s. We've got all the different values of s. Let's look at the next slide. Same here, we have to find f for all those different values of b. That's 2 times b there. Here we have y cubed, so that means y times y times y. So you multiply y by itself 3 times. That's multiplication. Over here, k over 2 means k divided by 2. That's multiplication. And finally, here we have a half, and here we have s squared. That's s times s. So that's very, very good practice there. And if you're not sure what to do, don't forget that on the next slide there is the link. And if you click on the link, that will show you how to do each of the examples. So this video has given us some examples where we've been given a particular equation and we've been given a table of values with one of the letters or variables or pronumerals, and we've had to find the different values for the other pronumeral.